na agad.
Sample na kagad. Oo, isang song na kagad tayo. Anong unang song muna ninyo para mapakinggan na kagad nila?
Try natin yung kanta ni Nicki Minaj.
Ay, bakit try lang?
Hindi. Sige, gawin na natin. Let's do
Gawin
this.
nyo.
Allowance, try lang.
Kasi pag try lang, pwedeng pigilin. Oops, teka, try lang.
Try lang.
Okay.
And then papakilala natin isa-isa. So we're gonna record it live sa audio and video para pwede natin ulit-ulitin sa mga susunod na Tunog Lokal and of course other radio shows ng 89.5. So ladies and gentlemen, kung kayo po ay nagkaka-tune in pa lang, 8th Avenue Band, tutugtog pa lang sila. Unang-una nilang song will have to be a Nicki Minaj song. Pakinggan ko muna yung Tambol. Sample ka raw.
Yun!
Pwede pala, pwede. May tinatago. Tago mo na lang daw, Miss Mali. Okay. Ang ating gitarista naman.
Malinamnam, partner.
Malinam na.
Yeah.
Parang sinigang, ano? Oo, maraming sabaw.
Sinigang na kulang sa asim.
Hindi, yun.
Nilaga yun.
Binaboy na sinigang yan. Okay.
Alright.
So, yun lang, dalawa lang ang ating isang gitara, isang tambolera.
Tambolera.
Tambolera. Oh.
So magsa-soundcheck yung dalawa, syempre. Yung vocalista
Ay, vocalista? Oo nga, sige nga. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do.
Parang si ano yan, pre ah.
Alin?
Kilala mo si Luciano? Yung paborito kong tenor, pare.
Deads na yata.
Si Luciano.
Luciano Pamarati.
Luciano Delgado.
Sabi ko na nga ba.
Kapitbahay ko yan.
Pag aling dating alas 3 sa madaling araw, narinig ko mga ganun. Nagtatanong. Dotila sol pamiredo, dotila sol pamiredo.
Alright. Okay, so tikman na natin yung ano nila, yung Nicki Minaj nila, partner.
Oo nga.
Okay na ba?
Oo.
Yung kanilang mga mikropono, okay na?
Pwede na yan, oo.
Wala nang galon.
Yung Our Lady in Yellow, what is your name?
Mao, you guys can call me Mao.
Mao. Mao? Mao?
Mau.
Mao?
Kalaban ng aw. Aw.
Nakita mo yung mga nasa bubong madalas, di ba? Lalo na pag mating season, naghahanap ng kapatid.
Mating season talaga. You really have to say that, ha?
No.
Mating season.
Well, we're just being scientific. Di ba? Meow! Meow!
Pag hindi ba pwede, not now. Teka, pumapalaot na tayo. Titikim muna tayo na nung unang...
Hindi kasi naalala ko, gabi lang yun, may barakong pusa sa ibabaw.
Malamang. Kaya pala puyat ka ngayon.
Sabi ko, pinig season mo.
Alam nyo, dahil dyan magpapalit na lang ako ng pangalan ko.
Ano na lang?
Monica na lang. Monica na lang. Sige, mabalik na.
Dahil isipan pa rin namin yun.
Hanap pa rin tayo dyan. Hanap.
Yung susunod natin. Alam ko kasama mo siya nag-Go JT ba? Dati? No, not really? But parang familiar ka.
Before, nandito rin ako pero nanood lang ako sa labas.
Nanonood ka lang sa labas.
Nag-feature lang.
Before, sabi niya.
Before.
Now, after na to.
Bakit hindi ka lang nanonood sa labas ngayon? Pinalabas no?
Okay lang.
Dun!
Nood ka uli.
Yeah, what is your name with ID?
Leng.
Leng.
Slang.
Leng?
Ayan na, sige. Leng?
Okay.
So talaga tripa ng pangalan ko.
Yung mananahimik na nga tayo. Ako doon, tatahimik
Don't even go to the saging thing.
Sure ball na yun.
Sige.
Okay.
Tikimin na muna natin yung ano. Pumapalaot na tayo. Yung Nicki Minaj song. Anong title?
It's Super Bass.
Super Bass. Okay, to give us their first song for today, July 7th edition of Tunog Lokal, Super Bass. Yep, let's check it out. 8th Avenue Band.
Here we go. Alright, here we go. This one is for the boys with the booming system. Top down AC with the coolest system. When you come up in the club, you be blazing up. Got stacks on deck like it's saving up. And yeah, real, he might got a deal. Pop bottles and he got a right kind of bill. He cold, he dope, he might sell coke. He always in the air, but he never fly coach. He a motherfucker drip trip, seller of the ship. When he make a drip, kiss him on a lip. That's the kind of dude I was looking for. And yes, it gets laughed if you're looking how. I said, excuse me, you're a hell of a guy. I mean, mama, my, you're like pelican fly. I mean, so shy and I love you. It's like with the thing on the side. Oh, yes I did. Somebody please tell him who the F I is. I'm not Nicki Minaj and Mac. The dude's up, back who's up, and Chuck the dude's up. I'll be running away, beating like a drum and it's coming your way. Can you hear that boom, 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 hey? Got that super bass. Boom, 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 hey. Got that super bass. Boom, boom, boom. niggas in the Marco. He could ball with the crew, he could solo. But I think I like him better when he dolo. And I think I like him better with a fitted cap on. He ain't even gotta try to put a Mac on. He just gotta give me that look. When he give me that look, then panties coming off. Excuse me, you're a hell of a guy. You know I really got a thing for American guys. I mean, sigh, sickening eyes. You could touch with a feminine side. Oh, yes I did, yes I did. Somebody please tell him who the F I is. I'm not Nicki Minaj and Mac the dudes up. Back who's up and chuck the dudes up. Heartbeat running away, beating like a drum that is coming your way. Can you hear that boom, 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 bass? Got that super bass. Boom, 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 bass. Got that super bass. Boom, 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 boom. Can you hear that boom, 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 bass? Got that super bass. Boom, 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 bass. Got that super bass. See, I need you in my life for me to stay. No, 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 you stay. No, 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 don't go away. Got my heartbeat running away. Don't you hear that heartbeat coming your way? Oh, it be like boom, 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 bass. Come on, can't you hear that boom, 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 bass? Oh, you got my heartbeat running away, beating like a drum that is coming your way. Can you hear that boom, 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 bass? Got that super bass. Boom, 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 bass. Got that super bass. Boom, 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 boom. Hey, can you hear that boom, 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 bass? Got that super bass. Boom, 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 bass. Got that super bass. All right.
Patawad po, walang tao sa bahay eh. Sino yung nagsasabing patawad po? This is a recording. Kala mo Ang galing!
Yeah.
Sumasobra sa palakpak.
Buwasan.